Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. So this is a little bit of an update of the Orion. So I got some color on there. I kind of wanted to do, especially with this quilted maple top, it almost looks like a flame. Like there's flames. Headstock is to match. I've got the sides sanded nice and smooth. Still have to do some sanding sealer on the back and the sides of this. Right now I just wanted to protect the front and the headstock. So I've got a 5-way switch, a kill switch, and then a volume and a tone going inside of here. I indented the kill switch. I also indented or countersunk the 5-way. So that's going to be, already set up. All I have to do is just start mounting stuff once this thing is done. I shouldn't have to fine tune anything because I already fitted everything before I even started playing around with the color for this thing. So what's going on with the color scheme of this? Well, it's going to get a candy apple red, all right? So what I'm going to end up doing is going with not a real dark metallic silver, but it's going to be a darker than what I normally use. And what's going to happen is that's going to go right up to this edge over here, right around the sharp edge all the way around. And then I'm going to end up hitting it with the candy apple red, overlapping around the edges over here. So the candy will go into, and it'll be transparent, so you'll be able to see a lot of the stuff over here, that the figuring in the wood. So that should work out pretty nicely. The candy will be the back, the sides, a little bit on the headstock to match the body. But yeah, that's all she wrote. Everything is coming along quite nicely. And I should have her done pretty soon. As soon as the paint shows up.